Hi, today I want to show you how to use Google AI Studio to write a short story. I have already done another video using AI Studio to manipulate images, so basically a kind of Photoshop using prompts. You can check out the older video. At the moment I'm using the Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental model. At the time of the recording it's still free. So how did I do that? I can upload images to AI Studio. These are the two images I gave it as a reference, and I put in one prompt here. I say I want to have a story in a comic style in multiple panels. And one thing is very important. You have to make sure you got a very good description of the clothing. Otherwise it won't be wearing the same thing across the story. So what I've done is basically I gave the image to Copilot and let Copilot describe what he's wearing and what the girl is wearing. So you can see there are a lot of detail of the dress, for example, here. Other than that, I just put in one thing. The man was new in town, and the AI should make up the entire story. Then you can see it's quite consistent. It looks very similar to the first image here. And also it's across the scene, they are all wearing the same thing. You can see it's not always perfect. The eyes is a little bit strange here. And you can see here there are wonky eyes here. One other thing is try to avoid text in the images because Google AI Studio is really bad in text. And don't use speech bubbles. I like the captions here. What I have done is I used the 11 labs to do the text to speech and put the image sequence into one video. I hope you like it. So let's enjoy it.
Arthur adjusted his cap, the tiny house and tree, feeling like a good luck charm. "Willow Creek," he murmured, a hopeful lilt in his voice. He strolled down the main street, his elephant shirt feeling a bit out of place amidst the charming boutiques. Then he saw her. She was admiring a window display, her floral dress swaying gently. He felt a sudden, unexpected pull. He gathered his courage and introduced himself. Her name was Lily. They talked for hours at a cozy cafe, discovering shared dreams and gentle laughter. As the sun began to set, they walked hand in hand through Willow Creek. Arthur smiled. Maybe this new beginning was already something special.
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.